spring2014inform082. So I went for a different route this time. Instead of teaching you guys how to do something, I figured I'd teach you about something, and I'm going to teach you about the rainforest. Does anybody know where the rainforests are? They're all over. If you see in the map on the next page, it shows the location of the world's tropical rainforests, which are located in Africa, Asia, Australia, Central, and South America. They cover only a small part of the Earth's surface, about 6%, but yet they have over 1/2 of the animals and plants. The dark green is where all the rainforests are located. The rainforest can be described as tall, dense jungle, and the reason that it's called a rainforest and they use the term rain is because it gets about an inch of rain per day every year. It's very hot and humid, so the plants and animals have to adapt to the climate. Rainforests are being destroyed every day. The area of a rainforest the size of a football field is being destroyed each second. The reasons for destruction are they use wood for fires, pulp for paper, they create both large and small farms, they mine for gold, copper, diamonds, gas, and other metals and gems. Giant bamboo plants can grow up to be 9 inches a day. The largest rainforest in the Amazon is the Amazon, which is located in South America. A lot of our ingredients for our medicines and stuff come from the rainforest and the plants. They're very important to our everyday life because, I mean, we all use paper, we all need medicine if we get sick, so more than 2/3 of the world's plant species are found in the rainforest. There are up to 20 to 80 different plant species found. Oh no, a tree per acre, my bad. Competition at ground level for light and food has led to evolution plants, which live on branches of other plants or even strangle large trees to fight for survival. Rainforest plants live in warm, humid environments that allows enormous variation, rare and temperate climates. Some, like the orchids, have beautiful flowers adapted to attract the profusion of forest insects. The aerial plants often gather nourishment from the air itself using so-called air roots. The humidity of the rainforest encourages such adaptations, which should be impossible in most temperate forests, with their much drier conditions. Some of the plants that are found in the rainforest are bromeliads, orchids, carnivorous plants, lianas, and stilt/prop plants. This is the bromeliads. Nope, that's the orchid. This is the bromeliads. No, that's not right. Yeah, that is right. This is the lianas, and this is the stilt and prop roots. The rainforest is home to more than half of the animals of the world. There's colorful and unusual animals in all 4 layers of the rainforest. There are more than 2,000 different types of butterflies that are found in the rainforest. Some of the animals that are found are spider monkey, toucan, sloth, poison arrow, frog, and boa constrictor. The sloth, the toucan, down here is the spider monkey, the frog, and the boa constrictor. There are about 50 million tribal people living in the world's rainforest. They depend on the food and shelter from the rainforest because a lot of them have little to no contact with people outside of the rainforest. A lot of the native tribes have been exterminated already because their governments failed to protect them from logging companies and mining companies. The three well-known tribes that live in the rainforest are the Pygmies, the Hui, and the Yanomami. I guess that's how you pronounce it. This is the Pygmy, that's the Hui, and this is the other one. There are 4 different types of layers, which is the emergent. As you can see, it's at the top. The canopy comes next, the understory, and then the floor. The emergent layer is the highest layer. The trees can grow up to or over 200 feet, and they don't grow close together. They have more sunlight, but they get less water. And animals that live in this layer consist of insects and birds. The canopy layer acts as an umbrella. The trees grow to be 100 to 150 feet, and they are close together, so it takes longer time for the rain to reach the bottom. It takes like 10 minutes. And the animals that live there are usually the lemurs, the spider monkeys, orangutans, parrots, toucans, and sloths. The understory is between the canopy and the floor. The leaves on the trees are very rare and large. Wow. And wide, so they can get the sunlight that gets through the canopy layer. It's mainly home to insects. The bottom layer is the rainforest floor, and it gets very little sunlight and is hot. But not a lot of plants grow there, and it's usually covered, like the floor is usually found with dead plants. And that's my one.